Greetings once again. We meet again. Haha. Hello everybody. Welcome back to episode 5 of the remodeling motorhome. We're on the downhill slide now. As you recall, oh by the way, I'm BLG. You remember me. I'm righty. And I'm lefty. Welcome back to the show. As you recall, we got the wood trim up there and up here all done. We've been working in the bathroom heavily. I've got the ceiling up. I've got the shower all the way complete. See, looking good, looking sweet and snappy. Damn Skippy, much better than it was. I got that piece up here trim put in. The ceiling over here, like I said, is all done. Today I'm gonna hi. I know you. Wow. Today I'm gonna work on painting. That's creepy, man. There's a fat guy in my bathroom with a camera. Tell me that ain't. Get out of my bathroom, you fucking perv. Oh, it's me. Yeah, that's me. Okay, we're safe. It's a reflection. I'm not a vampire after all. I'm gonna paint the wall. I think I'm gonna go dark green on those walls back there because it's just kind of pushed that wall back. It's got yellow. I think I'm gonna do wall yellow and dark green down there at the bottom of the tub, and probably dark green this area too. This wall, and make this one yellow and dark green and dark green. So I got my dark green. There it is. I'm gonna mix that up first, and I'm gonna commence to painting. It's been hot. Ooh, 90s. Yeah. 89 yesterday. It felt like, when it was 86, it felt like 96, it said, on the heat index thing. And it's going to get to 90 today. Yay! Inside the house, the central air, it battled well yesterday, I must say. I got done out here farting around yesterday, caulking and stuff. Didn't do an episode because it was just kind of boring. But I went inside. I got inside about 8 o'clock, 8:30, and I did not open a door or anything the rest of the day. Once again, thermostat set at 70, and it got to the hottest part of the day around here, which is about 1 o'clock in the afternoon to 2 o'clock. It got to 89 outside, and we were holding strong at 80 inside all day. So I know it's not that big of a difference, but without the humidity and the fans going, and don't open doors, all the windows as dark as I can get, it felt a lot better than what it felt like outside, I tell you what. So anyways, that'll be up to the old lady to decide when she comes home from vacation and stuff. I'm almost considering it might be worth it to get 2 little window air conditioners and 1 big one. I don't know, but it held in there. I mean, I can't complain. It is Florida, you know, and when it's hot, it's fucking hot. So that's a song's in there somewhere. When you're hot, Jerry Reed. Anyway, I'm gonna get to painting a little bit, and I'll show you the progress in, after a little bit, when I get a couple of the walls done anyway. The green goes on, and I'll show you the green, okay? See you in a few hours, probably. No, I'm going to get in before it gets too hot again today, but I'll see you in a little while. Hey, it's you again. Welcome back. There's been a slight change. A slight alteration. In the painting and plan of the bathroom. It's so damn bright in there. I took off the old shower curtain too. Look at that. That's going in the garbage. Stupid thing. But here it is. I just got done painting it. And here's what our bathroom looks like now. You remember what it looked like before? Here it is now. Just got done painting it. I went with the dark green on all of the walls. Thank you very much. Thank you. I thought it looked good. Same dark green on this wall too. The dark green. Oh shit, I didn't put the toilet paper back on. But I can do that. Dark green all around. Of course, the white. I hung up the shower head. Thank you. It's a little high. It's a little tight, but it fit, so keeps that out of the way better. And green, dark green down under the tub. So the bathroom, I gotta build a new countertop. I'm gonna let this all dry and stuff. So I gotta grind off. There's a couple screws here, and there's a couple in the back here, and back over here. I gotta grind those off before I can make a new little countertop thing for that sink. It's still free floating. But there it is. I got the new lights. They came in yesterday, so I'm going to be putting the new light in here, and this will be done, finished. What do you think? Yes? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. That's a lot of work, but it was fun. So there may be a few spots as it dries that might get a little bit light. I may go over. I'm letting it dry all the way, as you can see, I'm watching TV, the big TV now, which is awesome. I love it. I can hear it from here, and it's turned up to 80, not 100. So, yeah, that's it for this episode, I guess. Just a quick little short episode for you. Let's go back under the wind fan thing. Hurricane. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ah, and stuff. The compressor's not on right now. I can tell it's not as hot, not as cold. But the compressor just got done running, so there we go. Nice. Okay, well, I guess that's it for this episode. Hands on with BLG. For Hands on with BLG. For BLG, I am BLG. I'm righty, and I'm lefty. And yes, we both got to paint today. Yes, I can paint too, and stay inside the lines and stuff. BLG can paint with either hand and write with either hand. That's true. Well, we'll see you guys next time. Woo! See you guys. Have a good one. Bye.